This is Garza Blanca, Cancun. This is a 1-bedroom suite. We have a pull-out sofa, maximum occupancy of 3. The really neat thing about this is if you're doing a wedding at Garza Blanca, whether it's Cancun or Cabo, the couple automatically gets the 1-bedroom suite, which is really nice because many properties, the couples are having to upgrade to get the 1-bedroom, which most couples want because they're coming with lots of luggage, or it's sort of the central hub where you might have family coming in and out. So having this extra living room space is really nice, and that's included in the contract when you do a wedding at Garza Blanca.